Hello and welcome to bitcoinmerch.com. Today I'm going to show you the LANDER, the easiest way to start mining Bitcoin. Now let's unbox it and show you what's inside. Inside the box you will find the LANDER. This is the Bitcoin miner itself with a clear cover. It goes like this. You will also find a power cord to power up. There's also a remote that you can change the colors of the LEDs inside the LANDER. And this is the USB micro SD adapter, so you can edit the file and set up your Wi-Fi and your mining configurations. Before we start, we're gonna take out the micro SD card from the LANDER. It's located right here. You're gonna take your micro SD adapter with a USB and put it like this. We're gonna put it in the computer and change the settings so you get paid for the mining. We inserted the USB adapter with the micro SD card to the computer. Now we are in this PC folder. We see the boot drive now showing up. We're gonna open it, scroll all the way down, and now we're gonna copy and paste this file, WPA. Right click, copy, and then right click and paste. Now we have a copy here. We're gonna change the name of the copy and remove the backup like this. Right click, open with Notepad. Here you can change your SSID, which is your Wi-Fi username, and the password. Make sure you use capital letters if you use it on your Wi-Fi. It's very important, they have to be exactly the same. If not, it's not gonna connect. So change the SSID and the password here, save the file. Your next step is to go to Ssid Miner, open it up, and all you have to do is change the user, this address here, to your Bitcoin address. You can find it on Coinbase, you can find it on your ledger, whatever you have your wallet from, this is gonna be your receiving address, so you're gonna delete it and add your receiving address. Once you save it all up, and you can take out the SD card safely by right-clicking it and click on eject. Now you can take it out and put it into the LANDER and start mining. Now that we are done with the settings, we're gonna put the micro SD card back into the LANDER. We are now gonna plug in the power to the LANDER. Now that you finish the setup and plug it in, it will start mining. The little screen will give you information about your mining. On top, you'll see your IP address. That's how you know your Wi-Fi is connected. After that, you'll see a hash rate and the current difficulty. You're all set. You are now mining with the LANDER. Now, I want to show you how to change the colors of the LEDs with the remote. You can change it to any color you want and even make it flash. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to grab one of those LANDERs, you can find it on bitcoinmerch.com or the link below. Share it with a friend that might like this product, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.